Let's talk food sensitivities. So the biggest thing I want to emphasize is we are not just a tube in and a tube out. The digestive system, there's a whole lot happening from the stomach, starting the digestive process, moving into the small intestine where a lot of the absorption happens. The large intestine, you're really just reabsorbing water and forming stool. But let's talk about the small intestine for a second. If you don't have a really clear barrier, so that small intestine, that tube needs to have a nice, healthy lining so that you're not absorbing larger food proteins than you should be. Let's say you eat egg. Egg is really common food sensitivity. You eat egg, you start the digestive process, it gets into the small intestine, it's not fully digested, it absorbs through the intestinal lining into the bloodstream, basically. Your immune system sees that egg protein and thinks that looks like food, it looks like egg, it shouldn't be threatening, but it's too big, it's not digested. Therefore, I'm going to create an immune response to that protein. Then you have a food sensitivity. Again, it's not anaphylactic. We're not going to break out in a rash. We're not going to have shortness of breath. You know, the type of symptoms that we see with peanut allergies. You might feel fatigued, headachy, or even more subtle, your body's just creating a low level of inflammation that will have trickle down downstream effects and impact many different systems.